I hear you. You're just waiting for me? What did I want to rank? What? Why? Yeah? I know. Yes, you did make some very nice babies. I'm very proud of you. Okay. Let me clean up the floor here a little bit. And then we're going to weigh your babies and check them out again, okay? Hi. Okay, you can hang out with me for all that if you want. I am so impressed that you fed these kids and gotten them all sleeping so you can just get up anytime you want. Oh, you're such a good mom. I think you've had a lot of experience momming before, haven't you? Maybe that's home poop, I don't know. Okay, can we change your blankets and stuff? Can we? Hi. Check out your babies. We're going to have to get some better light in this box. Not today, but soon. Maybe today, just not right now. How big is the box? Oh, that's perfect. Okay. Let's see if we can get our blanket change ready out here and then put it in all at once like we do, okay? What do you think? Good plan? Yeah, that's a pretty good fit. Ready? Hi. Do we? Let's find out. Oh, looks like we do. Okay. Hi, Kittens. I need to inspect you now. It's time for your first inspection. Okay. Hi. Well, looks like a healthy little one. Yes, you do. Right here, healthy little one. Okay, even 4. You don't have to take her back. You can sit right there with her for just a minute, okay? Because we're going to just move everybody. Oh, look at you, pretty tuxie boy. Right here, hang on, Mom. Okay, you're a little heavier. Okay, Mom. Give me 1 second, then we'll move all these kids back in there together, okay? No. No, wait. Just give me a minute. Here, let's get ahead of this, okay? Take all 4 of them. Move your blankets around, and then get back to me. Hang on, guys. Let me help. Hey, let me help. Come on. This is me helping. I know you might not believe it, but this is how I help. Make a little baby burrito. Put them right in there all at once. What do you think? That worked out pretty well, huh? Okay, now where were we? Okay, our little custard boy is in fact gray and stripy, exactly like a custard. Wow. Yeah, you're a little handsome custard though. Don't tell him I said so. You're loud. You're gonna be the loud one, huh? It's okay, Ma. I got him. Don't listen to him. He's just being loud. Wow. You must be the one I was saying was going to be loud yesterday. All right. Okay. And finally, Mr. Hairdo. Wow, Mom, you did a good job with these little babies. Now look at them, they're everywhere. Let's put them in a pile for you again, like you had them, all nice and organized. Got it? It's okay. You like that? You got a nice fresh bed in here now? right? Oh, I should have done this before the blanket change, shouldn't I? Shouldn't I? Now you're going to want to get in on this. That's going to be awkward. Hang on here, Mom. Let me tuck this under here, okay? Don't go. You don't have to be all involved. I can do this, right? I got your kiss. I got it. Don't worry. I'm going to tuck that right under there for you. Okay? Straighten that out a bit. Oh, hang on. What is going on here? Blankets, what is happening? Okay, hang on. There we go. This, that. There we go. Alright. Kids, come up here. We gotta straighten these blankets out. I know I did this in the wrong order. How were these things organized before? Alright, well that's fine. You probably like your blankets a little floppy anyway, don't you? After all that, I might have to put your heater outside the box because it's taking up too much space in here. They need to be able to, well, I don't know, this heater's pretty well controlled. I guess we're fine. So much for hiding all the Christmas blankets at the bottom of the pile. Put that one right up on top.